Meaning of employ.
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 Employ. The verb employ means to hire someone to work for an organization or to make use of a particular resource or skill in order to achieve a goal. When we employ someone, we are providing them with a job and paying them wages in exchange for their services. Alternatively, when we employ a particular resource or skill, we are utilizing it in a strategic manner to achieve a desired outcome. This verb is often used in both personal and professional contexts, and it plays an important role in the functioning of businesses, governments, and other organizations.